Artificial intelligence is no longer a technology of the future. It's already shaping the way we live, work, and learn. But what exactly is AI? And why is everyone talking about it? Let's find out in just 2 minutes. Artificial intelligence or AI refers to computer system designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem solving, understanding language, and recognizing images or speech. Today, AI is transforming industries across the world and becoming an essential part of our daily lives. You interact with AI more often than you may realize. When Netflix recommends your next movie, when Google predicts your search, when your phone unlocks using facial recognition, or when ChatGPT answers your questions, AI is working behind the scenes. AI learns from large amounts of data, identifies patterns, and improves its performance over time. Unlike traditional software that follows fixed instructions, AI can adopt and make increasingly accurate decisions based on experiences. Its application extend far beyond personal convenience. AI is helping doctors detect diseases earlier, enabling businesses to automate routine tasks, supporting financial institutions in fraud detection, and assisting educators creating personalized learning experiences. Artificial intelligence is not here to replace human intelligence. It is designed to enhance it. As AI continues to evolve, understanding how it works will becoming an increasingly valuable skill for students, professionals, and businesses alike. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more easy to understand technology content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.